Good day, guys. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get a free virtual card, Naira card from your PalmPay. So, PalmPay are currently doing offer where they are giving a free virtual card to their users. It's for limited time though. So, first of all, you log in or sign up to your PalmPay account, and right here you can see the ATM option, or should I call it button, right up here. So you can see it right here, ATM. That's what we are going for. Sorry. So we tap on it. After we tap on it, so you can see for the physical card, you can also get it for the price of 499. Like I said, they are doing promo. But now we are going for the virtual card, which is this, which are these ones. So we're going for the virtual card. So we tap on, as you can see, everything is free. You can see claim for free. So you tap on it, and yeah, you can see everything's been on coupon, and so just tap on pay and confirm. Tap on, and boom, you have successfully creating your virtual bank card. So you can just set up your PIN and everything. So here I'm going to set up mine. Alright, so this is it, and you can see you can link it and make a virtual payment to your Google Play, Netflix, Uber, OP, and many more. So that's the actual use of the virtual card. You can use it for your online payment and all that. And also, if you want to go for the physical card, it's only 500. You can pay 500 and get the physical card also. Note, all are promo, they won't last long, so grab it as fast as possible.